Hey guys, it's me Sazzy, and I'm gonna do something today using Thermomix, which I got recently, a couple weeks already, and I love it because it makes cooking so easy. So I started doing this plant-based diet journey at the beginning of this year, and what I love about this also is that it offers a lot of recipes. And when it comes to vegan cooking, I don't know much, but because you can find it on online for Thermomix, it makes it super easy. So my girls and I are gonna be doing 2 dishes today. Girls, come in. Come and help me out. So, today, what are we making?
Savoury rice.
Correct, Tiara. And this is for dessert, obviously.
Peanut shaved ice.
Are you excited for that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with our savory rice. First, we're gonna use this simmering basket to weigh the rice. We need 500 grams of washed rice. As usual, Mami suka pakai basmati rice because it's less starch. But good thing about Thermomix is that it also helps wash it and then take away more of the starch. And helps the grains retain the natural flavor and taste, which makes it become a light, dry and fluffy texture. Basmati rice helps reduce cholesterol levels in the blood and also helps control blood glucose levels. 500 grams. So you tell me when it's 500. More?
Keep going.
Dah?
Yeah.
Alright, tak apa. Seakan-akan. I'm gonna wash the rice. Okay? I've got my water right here. So we're gonna add like about until it covers. So even though I use basmati rice because it has low starch, it helps reduce cholesterol level, I still want to wash my rice. Okay, there you go. Now we're gonna chuchi. So 2 minutes. Speed 4. Okay? There you go. Okay. Countdown, girls.
3, 2, 1.
Yay! Alrighty. It's done. So you see what's inside, see? Washed away all the starch and then we've got this. Clean rice. See? There you go. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna wash this. Alright, so now let's put this in. Blend all these things together, okay? So we can saute it after that. Yes. And then the coriander roots. Okay, so we had onions, shallots, we have ginger, and garlic cloves. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend it. Oh, there! We're done! Alright, now we put the oil in. Now we're gonna do this. 4 minutes. Okay, 120. Okay, and speed is 1. You've got 3 minutes to watch Back to the Future 2. That's not much. Okay, nice and hot. Okay, Iman, you put in tomatoes. Woo! It's alright. Tiara, you want to put in carrots?
Yeah.
But basically, you can create your own recipe. You just have to know what to do lah.
I was
Okay.
gonna put the carrots.
Sorry, I forgot. Okay, then you put in the mushroom. So now we gotta put all the rest. Okay, first it's 15 grams of salt. Okay, tablespoon of mushroom stock. Then it's gonna be 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now 700 grams of water. We're not gonna put the rice in yet. We're gonna boil it first. So it's 8 minutes, 100 Celsius. Then it's speed 1. 8 minutes. What do you guys want to do? Okay lah, Mami also take a break. Okay, all that is boiled already. Mama's gonna take this out. Now we're gonna add the rice. Super easy. Easy peasy. Okay, now Iman, please, rice cooker mode. Yes, good job. That's it. Alright, girls, it's done. Let's see. But Iman, can you please get the thermal server? Thank you. This is a lot. Yeah. Sprinkle it on top. Ta-da! Dinner served. Okay, now we're gonna do the peanut shaved ice. So first we're gonna place the ice cubes into the Thermomix. Pour it all. Pour it all. Okay, so it's 15 seconds, speed 10. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Alright. You're gonna add your peanut butter. Alrighty.
20 seconds.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
Oh, I put it the wrong one.
It's alright.
I'm scared.
Why are you panicking?
Because I'm
It's
scared.
fine. Okay, finito. Let's see.
So, that's all?
There you go. Wow. Alright, time to serve. Yeah. There you go. Guess what? We're finished.
Yay.
So now it's eating time, guys. Okay, let's get our spoons. Let's go. Makan time.
That's all.
Thank you so much, girls, for helping me out. I love it. You guys love it?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
That it can cook, so it can be hot and cold.
Yeah.
It can be anything.
I love it that we cook together now. And it's so much faster. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.